Welcome back. This section is about practical exercises for depression. The first technique we'll discuss is RAIN. The RAIN technique is a mindfulness practice designed to help individuals navigate difficult emotions with compassion and awareness. The acronym RAIN stands for Recognize, Allow, Investigate, and Nurture. This method was originally developed by meditation teacher Michelle McDonald and later popularized by psychologist and meditation teacher Tara Brach. The 4 steps are: first, recognize. You begin the process by recognizing and identifying what is happening to you. This involves noticing the thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations that are present. For example, you might acknowledge, "I feel anxious," or "there's tension in my shoulders." Once you've recognized what's present, allow these experiences to exist without trying to change or suppress them. This step is about accepting your current reality, saying internally, "It's okay to feel this way." Investigate. With gentle curiosity, investigate your experiences. Ask yourself questions like, why do I feel this way? What does this emotion mean to me? This investigation should be compassionate, not analytical, aiming to understand rather than fix. Finally, nurture. Offer kindness and care to yourself. This could be through comforting words such as, "May I be kind to myself," or through soothing actions like placing a hand over your heart. The goal is to cultivate self-compassion and support. The RAIN technique was introduced by Michelle McDonald in the early 2000s as a tool for mindfulness meditation. Tara Brach later expanded upon this framework, emphasizing the importance of self-compassion in the process. Brach's adaptation has been widely adopted in therapeutic and meditation communities for its effectiveness in emotional healing. By practicing RAIN, individuals can develop a more compassionate relationship with their inner experiences, leading to greater emotional resilience and well-being.